Welcome people, this is the 20th anniversary PlayStation right here, and I've got Ape in it.
How did you get one of these?
Wait, how long? About 48 hours?
Yeah, 2 days.
2 days?
And where was it?
No, I don't know where it was.
It was in a hidden location. Put it on the side. Put it on its side. Stand it up. That's it.
Let's have a look inside. What serial number am I?
Serial number is 12,242 out of 12,300.
No, that's not right.
Yeah, it is. 12,000.
Oh, right.
12,242 out of 12,300 in the whole world.
What's the manual?
Should be the headset under that.
Headset.
Yeah, in there.
Oh, HDMI.
Has the special PlayStation 1 original logo on it. Pretty cool. Show them the pattern on the controller.